Hello everyone, it's your boy, James here, and today I'm going to restore the internet balance on this video called Neutral Response, uploaded by Lee Tang on April 14th, 2009. And today I'm going to dislike it. See? 426, 464, and 426, 464. It's utterly beautiful. Here's the video in question.
I have no strong feelings one way or the other.
So, I'm glad that I could restore the internet balance, as I was shown this video in a Emperor Lemon video a couple of weeks ago. So, glad I could restore the internet, or restore balance to the internet. And yeah, that'll do it. Bye guys. Thank you all for watching.